Hey, it's Miss Kellie Michele. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, today's video is all about what's next in my midterm rental or corporate rental business. So I know you all probably saw the video with myself, Al, the leading landlord, and Jesse from AirVenture. And I talked about how I am not getting any more properties for the rest of the year. Now, pause. If you have not seen that video, make sure you check that video out. Just click on my channel. It was the last video I posted, and I'll also link it to this video as well. Okay. All right. So let me keep going. So I'm going to talk about what I am now doing in my business. So I have spent the first part of this year, more than half of the year, on just acquiring properties, getting them set up, and showing you guys everything that goes along with that, right? Now it is time for me to take a step back and work on the other side of my business, the administrative side of my business, because that has been neglected because I've been out and about acquiring properties, right? Okay, so let me run down a list of things that I will be doing the next part of 2022 to grow my business to the next level and to also serve my clients. All right, so number one is I am going to start researching some case management systems, some CRM systems, just so I have a better way of keeping track of everything that's going on. At this point, I've grown, so I have been really keeping track of everything on spreadsheets, like Excel spreadsheets, and I keep track with Furnish Finder has a tenant tracker tool, which I might stay with that and utilize it a little bit more. But I want to check out some more CRM systems that will kind of make things a little bit more seamless and put it right in front of my face. I don't have to go look for anything. So I'm sure, going to show you some videos of the research that I have found or have done and kind of point out a few different management systems that I've checked out and give you some pros and cons and things that I found out about those management systems. So that'll be in the future coming up. I'll definitely show you and review some case management systems for you guys so you know the information that I have, and I'll figure out what I want to use after that. All right, so the second thing I'm going to be working on is focusing on getting direct bookings and contracts. So I have already started setting up my own website, and I mean it's really not started. I've done it. I need to add a few more things to it. So setting up my direct booking website, my personal website for my company, with all of my properties on it, and some of my clients that are here in St. Louis. I'm going to put those properties on there as well so that they have exposure and can possibly get direct bookings through my platform as well. So that is something I am going to be working on, creating relationships with some staffing companies, doing some more research as well on student housing. I do have one client who wants to get into student housing. She has a condo that she's actually about to purchase, but the HOA rules say that the tenants have to be there at least 6 months. I tried to warn her about this, but she feels like it's going to be okay. She's going to get bookings for 6 months or longer. So she wants to focus on the students because this particular condo is in the area with a couple of universities here in St. Louis. So I am going to be working on just trying to find out information as far as how she can get some students in her place. Like, where can she advertise? How can she put her property in front of these students? So she's going to be researching as well, not just myself, but I just kind of want to get a better idea of how it all works so that I can possibly present that information to you guys as well if I find out enough information. So that is another thing that's going to be happening. So focusing more on getting some direct bookings and contracts, getting my website finished, fully finished. That is the next thing. All right, so the third thing is I have one more unit to finish up in that 4 unit building that I told you guys about. I am actually signing the lease either today or tomorrow on that unit because it needed some additional repairs. I am actually going to let my mom take over that unit and run it and set it up and do all of those things. I'm helping, of course, it's still under my company, but she is also she's gotten into the midterm rental business, the corporate rental business. So I wanted to go ahead and offer that a unit for her so she can manage that. So I'll show you guys some pictures, but it won't be all of my work and my creation and decorations. It will be hers, but I will definitely show that to you all because I will be over there helping her get it all set up. All right. Fourth thing is I have some vacancies coming up. So I just need to start working on getting those filled. So that will be coming up because I have 2 vacancies coming up in the month of August. So I'm not worried about it. I'm sure they're going to be filled, but at least I want to update the listings on one of them. I want to update the pictures, and I did a virtual tour. So I want to add that all to my website and kind of just, spruce it up a little bit and put it out, make sure it's ready for people to see, the final or new pictures and the actual virtual tour of the property. So that is another thing happening. All right. And then the fifth thing that I am focusing on is going to be my clients. So I have to, well, actually, I don't have to. I want to be more available to support my clients who have purchased my online course, my one-on-one clients as well, private, the ones I have private sessions with, focus on that a little bit more as well. Also participating more in my Facebook group and putting information out there on social media like my reels on Instagram and Facebook. So concentrating more on putting myself out there, talking to people about what I do, and supporting my clients. That is a big thing. So now that I am slowing down, I'll have way more time to work with my clients one-on-one, people who have booked those sessions, and also answering questions for my clients who have bought the online self-study course. So that is what is happening now. This is just for August. There will be other things that come up through the month because it's just the beginning of August. So that is what I have on my list just for this month. Now, I sat down earlier today and wrote down a long list of things that need to happen or that I would like to happen by the end of the year. But I broke it down so that I won't overwhelm myself and I'm just taking it a little bit at a time. And the things I just told you about are the things I will be working on in August. So let me know what you guys are doing in your businesses currently. If you have started and jumped in and got your corporate rental up and running, what is going on with your business? Put it in the comments. Let me know so we know what's happening. We can support each other, give each other encouragement, and yes, push through, okay? And if you haven't started your journey on starting your midterm rental or your corporate rental, what are you waiting on? What's happening here, huh? I mean, there's so much opportunity out there for you. I hope you are not afraid. I've provided so much information on this YouTube channel, and if you need additional support, which you will, I also have my online course that you can take, and I will probably be opening up my group program again probably next month, maybe September. That's what I'm thinking. It's not official yet, but I'm gonna open it up again in September to get some new people enrolled in that. So if you are waiting on the group guided group program, that is going to be coming within probably the next month or so. But if you're ready to start right now and jump in, get that online course. It has everything you need to get started and up and running, and I am available to support you as well. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will be coming back with you with a lot of information because I plan on doing a lot of research on some things that I just am not fully aware of, and I want to know about it, right? So I'm going to share that information with you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow my journey. Talk to you guys later. Bye.